Morning, neighbors. Oh, somebody following me? Oh, hi. He sure is.
That's amazing.
I think you. And then you.
He didn't know what to do now. He's going up and down.
I know. He stopped. Now what do I do?
It's
Hi.
happier when it's facing you.
Yeah.
It's facing you.
Yeah. They turn this way and he's got to go someplace else. He's trying to follow me. Okay.
Here comes the car.
Okay, get over there.
Dale was saying, what do you do when a car is coming toward you like that?
I'll move over like that.
Oh, okay. Well, it would.
Watch out for the bushes, the leaves. There you go. Okay, we'll do it this way then. And then point away, and then go up. Go up. There you go.
Yeah, it's higher. It's probably better because of
Yeah.
the traffic.
Right. As long as the tall truck doesn't come
Yeah, right.
by.
Like those logging trucks,
Oh, I know, yeah. Get back up there. Go up.
Where are you going to walk today?
Oh, maybe around the block, maybe up to Victoria Court.
That's where you get the good view of the lake, huh?
Yeah.
Did you just go down to the intersection with Red Dog Cross
Yes, they did. Yeah, it's exactly a mile up to that corner.
from your house to that corner?
Yeah,
So no.
it is. Okay. About time to stop.